What is your name? My name?
My name is wessam Shalghin.
How old are you?
12.
Okay. Tell me the sounds of the animals, okay? What is the sounds of dog?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
What is the sounds of cat?
Meow.
What is the sounds of chicken?
Tik aloo.
What is the sounds of snake? What is the sound of tiger? What is the sounds of goat? Goat. What is the sound of bird?
Quit, quit.
What is the sound of monkey?
Ooh, ooh, ha, ha.
What is the sound of pig? What is the sound of mommy?
Mami? Sino?
Mommy Ivy.
Magbibili ako ng lumbas.
What is the sound of Mama Lot?
Ako yung Garrett.
What is the sound of Papa Jed?
Nag-drive na ako ng crystal.
What is the sound of Lolo Boy?
Giga ako. Sakit ako.
What is the sound of Tita Adem?
Manonood ako ng TV.
What is the sound of Alex?
Maglalaba ako.
How about Kuya Yan Yan?
Lalaro ako.
Mahulog ikaw. How about Ate Minmin?
Maglulumbans ako.
Lumbans. Si Josh.
Dodo! Dodo, Dodo!
Dodo.
Kasi sabi niya Dodo eh.
Ay, si Jared pala. Si Jared.
Meow! Nen!
Very good talaga wessam ni Mami. Oh, mag-bye na ikaw. Bye!
Bye!
Bye.